Hello everyone. Before I begin, I would like to ask a question. How many of you believe that understanding the challenges our country real estate industry facing important of for our economic future? All right, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Wang Zhenyu. Like many of you, I'm very concerned about economics issues and the reason behind them. By reading a lot about how real estate preference can lead to economic slowdown. I'm ready to share what I have learned with you today. Nowadays, economics topics have some become part of our daily lives. Today, I'm happy to talk with you about the topic that has greatly changed our country's economy, the real estate sector. As we will deal with the prevalence of the modern world, the challenges within the real estate industry have become a strong sign of how the world economy is doing. Also, the real estate sector has some very important benefits for economic development. I'm here today to convince you that real estate programs are a main and long-term risk for the economic slowdown. Understanding this is very important for planning our future path and ensuring our economy can grow steadily. It's true that the real estate sector has its positive sides. One of the biggest is this largest contribution to economic growth, helping cities grow and creating many jobs. Also, real estate is very important for building infrastructures, connecting different regions, and helping business run. However, this is very dark side to shining surface of the real estate industry. I'm not telling you to completely stop investing in real estate, but I hope we can work together to control its unchecked risks, helping our economic run in a better and smooth way. First, the real estate sector is facing serious money problems. According to the China's National Bureau of Statistics, building too much too fast has led to many unfinished or empty buildings, especially in smaller cities. At the same time, according to the 2017 study by Glasser, developers have a huge debt of over $150 billion, combined with the negative feeling in the market and people not wanting to buy things more than ever before. This creates a non-stop loop of money worries throughout the system. Second, the mass growth of real estate weakness people's trust in the economic and hurt families' wealth. For many Chinese families, a large part of their money is in property. When home price fall, their wealth is direct hurt, making them feel less financially secure. This low confidence in the economic leads people to invest more carefully. According to 2023 HSBC survey, the IMF has warned this careful behavior could lead to a balanced sheet recession, where everyone saves instead of invest, which can freeze the market and make the economic downturn even worse. Finally, there are the important reasons to control the risks. Depending too much on real estate will stop new ideas and leave less room for new tech companies to grow. Also, The market going up and down a lot causes problems in society, with issues like unfinished housing projects often leading to protects from homeowners. This volatility also allows for risky financial behavior, especially within the complex and hidden shadow banking system, which is a danger to our entire financial system. Therefore, I want to take this opportunity to ask policymakers and industry leaders to focus on making clear and quick changes in the real estate sector. This will not only help make the economic more stable, but also ensure it grows well in the future. Dealing with these problems now is very important. Investments in our long-term economic stability. To sum up, the ongoing weakness in the real estate system, new risk in the market, and the urgent need for clear and open information are key reasons why we must keep managing it carefully. The stability of this sector is extremely important for the country's economic growth and for families' finances. Let's use real estate as a tool to help us grow, but not let it control us. Thank you for your attention.